Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change country location in TikTok. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to tiktok.com, and from here just simply go over to the top right corner of the screen and just simply go to your profile icon. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here on the drop down. And over here, guys, you should be able to see here account information, and you should be able to see here account region. So just simply click on it. And after that, as you can see, you'll be able to select a country or region over here. And as you can see, you will have multiple options that TikTok have. So from here, guys, just simply select the country that you prefer. And after that, just simply click on next. And from here, guys, as you can see, to update the account region, you need to meet the following requirement. So these requirements needs that you have been in the United States for at least 60 days in order for you to update your region. And from there, once you have meet the requirements, you'll be able to update it. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.